Good boy. Holy crap, man, I just near crapped my pants again. Just walking along in a daydream, and I heard this, oh, what's down there? I heard this huffing, puffing and pounding, this manky dog come flying up behind me. Not that I'm normally scared of dogs, but, oh man. Oh, it's high octane stuff. I gotta go find the rest of the thing because I don't want them getting in trouble actually. I just thought of it then, and look, I didn't sneak off on purpose, I swear. I just got a bit lost. Like, just seriously a little bit lost. It's alright, boy. Good boy. Don't bite me. What are you doing, mate? Got a friend. Good boy. Good boy. I'm going to call you Sir Chernobyl. There you go, mate. I got a friend. I got a friend.